If calendar chaos has got you losing bookings or you're fed up with sending endless scheduling links, SavvyCal might have popped up in your searches. But does it actually live up to its promise of recipient-first scheduling? Let's dive in and find out. SavvyCal positions itself as a modern, user-friendly scheduling tool that bridges the gap between smart availability and elegant booking experiences. Designed for individuals, teams, and businesses alike, it claims to simplify meeting setups whether you're a solopreneur or running a remote team. In this review, we'll explore its key features, how its pricing breaks down, what users love, what bugs them, and whether it might be the right tool for your scheduling needs. SavvyCal sets itself apart with features crafted for smooth, flexible scheduling. Overlaid calendars. Recipients see your availability overlaid with theirs, so it's easier to pick times that work for both parties. Multiple scheduling modes. Choose between team, round-robin, group, or collective scheduling to suit any workflow. Time blocking and ranked availability. Let people pick from your preferred slots, clustered together or precisely what you want. Meeting polls. A free way to find the best time via group voting. Workflows and reminders. Attaching automations like reminders or intros to a booking link keeps follow-ups consistent. Embedding and extensions. Drop scheduling right into your site. Use the browser extension or integrate with your workflow tools. Video and CRM integrations. With Zoom, Teams, CRMs, Zapier, and more, everything connects seamlessly. SavvyCal offers 2 paid plans plus a free entry option. Free plan. Try features like meeting polls, email reminders, calendar overlays, and basic video link support. Basic, $12 per month per user. Unlimited calendars, links, team scheduling, round-robin, workflows, and core integrations. Premium, $20 per month per user. Adds whitespace branding, custom domains, Stripe payments, API and webhooks, delegate access, and priority support. Annual billing includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, making it easy to test before committing. What users love. Intuitive and elegant interface. Reviewers say it looks and behaves like Google Calendar, only smarter with scheduling logic. Highly customizable. From availability presets to redirect URLs and even analytics via JS embeds, it's flexible. Team and group scheduling. Made simple. Whether delegating or overbooking, it handles complex setups gracefully. Responsive support. Users note fast updates, bug fixes, and a helpful support team. Powerful integrations. Connecting to Zoom, CRMs, Zapier, and more comes without friction. Where it falls short. A bit pricey. Some users say it costs more per user than competitors like Calendly, especially for solo use. Performance lags sometimes. Occasional slow loading or syncing delays have been mentioned. No mobile app yet. It works in the browser, but some users wish there was a dedicated mobile interface. Limited free version. Much is locked behind paid plans, so the free version may feel restrictive long-term. SavvyCal brings thoughtful scheduling to both sides of the link, high clarity, flexible options, and beautifully designed workflows. It's especially great if you manage teams, have multiple calendars, or want to white label the booking experience. If you want a slick UI, advanced availability controls, and seamless embedding, SavvyCal is a strong contender. Just weigh whether the premium feels worth it for your specific needs. SavvyCal nails smart, flexible scheduling for professionals, but expect to pay a premium for its thoughtful user experience. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's the biggest hassle in your current scheduling setup. I'd love to help you find a better option. See you next time.